afternoon. By the way, my name is Jeff. So I will be the one at this. Anya started 2017. And then we have two restaurants here. One is located at the main lobby, which is Samira, Del Gonzales, Spanish cuisine. The Anila restaurant poolside, Italian Filipino. The breakfast starts here, 6:30 until 10:30. Swimming pool is warm heated from 7 a.m. up to 7 p.m. Then on the Tala Garden wall, we have this bonsai exhibit. Spa and gym is located behind Villa number 10, Niyama Wellness Center. Then give us a call by dialing 0 if you need some assistance. Then since the resort is just round, the location of your villa, the villa number 6, is walkable from your villa going to the poolside restaurant.
Vista